Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. So here I would like to tell you that in my previous video I compared these moves what we have seen here during the month of October 2018. This was the level from where the natural gas futures started a steep upward move during the month of October 2018. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been currently moving here at the same levels where they could find this move to continue, because here I find that the immediate resistance for natural gas futures will be at the levels of $3.463 what it could test before this weekly closing. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could break this immediate resistance during this week. So here I would like to tell you that currently most of the commodity hedge funds have returned back in 2021, whereas they remain absent during the year 2020. Therefore, I find that the commodities may take volatile moves because hedge funds could provide a strong momentum to most of the commodities, and especially the natural gas, which is the most liquid commodity of the world, could take this opportunity for hedge funds to trade this during this year. So here in the weekly time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a steep upward move during the month of November and tested a high at the levels of $4.776. So here I find that the level of $4.671 provided a stiff resistance to natural gas futures during the year 2018. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a sustainable move here well above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud at the levels of $3.099. So friends, once again the natural gas futures have been well maintaining above this level. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures maintained well above this level during the first week of June. And here you can see that how during this week the natural gas futures have been well maintaining above the strong support at the levels of $3.312. Here I find that the natural gas futures have immediate resistance at the levels of $3.463. So friends, here I find that in the weekly time frame, if the natural gas futures find a sustainable move above this immediate resistance, we could see the natural gas futures to continue this rally, where we could find some sell-off from the levels of $3.724, which is the next resistance for natural gas futures. Friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could continue to maintain above this uptrend zone, whereas I find that any downward move in natural gas futures could provide a strong support at the levels of $3.067, and the final support can be seen at the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $3.013. So friends, here I find that any downward move in natural gas futures will provide a good opportunity to go long, but with a strict stop loss, because here the momentum could take a U-turn anytime due to the growing activities of commodity hedge funds. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming weeks the natural gas futures could test the levels of $3.717 before the end of this month. So friends, here I find that the second half of June could be very important for natural gas bulls, where the natural gas bulls will have to defend these immediate support to move more upward. So friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a stiff resistance at the levels of $2.725 on August 28, 2020. And from here, a sharp fall was seen, and the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $1.789 on September 21st, 2020. Since then, we have seen natural gas futures to maintain an uptrend, whereas this uptrend was a steep uptrend during the month of October 2020, when the natural gas futures tested a high on October 30th, where it tested a high at the levels of $3.396 on October 30th. So friends, here you can see that once again the natural gas futures have been currently is near this target. So friends, here you can see in a daily time frame the natural gas futures continue to maintain an uptrend amid this uptrend zone. So here you can see that how a breakout above the upper end of this uptrend channel could encourage bulls to go more upward. So here you can see that the natural gas futures have tried to sustain above the psychological resistance at $3 first during the month of October 2020, but could not sustain for a long time and finally take a sharp downward move below this psychological resistance during the month of November 2020. Since then, we have seen the natural gas futures to remain amid this uptrend zone. So here you can see that once again the natural gas futures attempted to breach this psychological resistance on May 4th, 2021 and constantly faced stiff resistance at $3 and finally succeeded to breach this on May 17th but could not sustain for a long time. After testing a high at the levels of $3.142, found a sharp downward move and once again tested a low at the levels of $2.832 on May 24th. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend amid this steep uptrend zone, where I find that finally the natural gas futures have been maintaining well above the levels of $3.317, which is the immediate support for natural gas futures, where I find that if the natural gas futures successfully find a breakout above the second resistance at $3.396, we'll see the natural gas futures could try to sustain above this immediate resistance to turn this resistance into a strong support. So friends, here I would like to tell you that whenever the natural gas futures find a breakout above a stiff resistance and sustain above that particular resistance for some time, it turns into a strong support, as we have already seen here when the natural gas futures found a breakout above this psychological resistance at $3. Since then, this resistance has turned into a strong support for natural gas futures. So here you can see that we have already crossed this resistance at $3.317 on June 14. And currently, the formation of a shooting star looks evident enough for a breakout move above the levels of $3.396, where I find that a sustainable move above the levels of $3.417 could continue this uptrend in natural gas futures during the upcoming weeks. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been well maintaining an uptrend, where you can see that how the natural gas futures looking for a breakout amid this channel, where the lower end of this channel is at the levels of $3.317 and the upper channel is at the levels of $3.396. So friends, here I find that any breakout out of this range could provide a directional move to natural gas futures, whereas in an hourly time frame here you can see that how the natural gas futures facing some resistance currently at the levels of $3.367, which is an immediate resistance for natural gas futures. And here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to hold above the levels of $3.317, we could see a downward move up to the levels of $3.273, where the natural gas futures could find a steep reversal from these levels. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to hold above this second support at the levels of $3.274, the natural gas futures could find third support at the levels of $3.195, where I find that this level could provide a strong support for natural gas futures for taking a steep reversal from here. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures look ready for a breakout move above the levels of $3.4 before today's closing. So friends, now let us check this move in a 15-minute time frame. So friends, here you can see that how in a 15-minute time frame the natural gas futures have been well sustaining above the 26 days moving average and currently trading well above the Ichimoku cloud, which confirms a bouncing move very shortly in natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.